My name is Dreyer. I'm an Audi Brand Specialist. I love cars ever since I was a kid. I guess it's just something you're born with. Motor oil in our blood, you could say. My dad's cousin owns a Porsche restoration shop in Norway. I did a gap year after high school where I was a Porsche technician. Shooting down the Oslo Fjord in a 930 turbo, you could say I got my bearings and the love of cars there. Getting the chance to work for a local company was always a priority for me. Seeing the Kendall license plate all around Eugene ever since I was 12 years old. The people here are great. One of the things I love so much about Audis is there's delight in the details.
Kendall, let's start something great.